Anchorage ground, FedEx 816, requesting clearance to cross runway 15.
Cross runway 15, please.
Clearance to cross runway 15 is approved. Let's cross.
Hawker 511 Hotel Alpha, hold short of taxiway Bravo, awaiting departure clearance. Holding short of taxiway Bravo, Hawker 511 Hotel Alpha.
Anchorage ground, FedEx 816, requesting departure from Yankee intersection and runway.
FedEx 816, taxi to runway 7 left via Yankee Kilo Hotel, intersection departure from Yankee approved.
Embraer 225 Echo Mike, continue taxi on taxiway Lima, hold short of taxiway Bravo. Continuing on Lima, holding short of Bravo, Embraer 225 Echo Mike.
FedEx 816 coming up on Yankee for departure from runway 7 left.
FedEx 816, continue taxi to runway 7 left via Yankee, contact tower on 118.3 when ready for departure.
Runway 7 left via Yankee, switching to tower on 118.3 when ready. FedEx 816. FedEx 816, holding short of runway 7 left, ready to depart.
FedEx 816, Anchorage Tower, runway 7 left. Winds 160 at 14, gusting 26. Fly runway heading, cleared for takeoff.
Runway 7 left. Fly runway heading, cleared for takeoff. FedEx 816.
FedEx 816, contact departure on 119.1.
Switching to departure on 119.1. FedEx 816.